Hi guys. Hey, hi guys. I think we lost him, and it just showed your live video was ended, so I had to restart. Sorry about that. You know, but glad to see everyone back. We'll try and connect with him right away. I could not see him. It was showing, connection, trying to connect to him. But let's try another time. If he can send me another request. Oh, there we go. Waiting for him to connect. Sorry about that, guys. We just dropped out automatically.
Hey Arjun.
Yeah, now I can see you. There we go.
Sorry man,
Perfect.
I don't know what happened.
Perfect. No, no, my bad. I don't know. Perfect. How are you? How are you? How are things?
Very good man, very good. And you?
I'm doing pretty good. Trying to be fit, trying to maintain my fitness. So, trying to help out my parents in some housework as well, something new. What about you?
Yeah,
Are you missing tennis? How's everything at home?
definitely yes. I'm missing tennis, and but I'm able to play tennis with Aryan, in my parking, and then
Oh,
so not that much missing. But yeah, enjoying with family. Same, I guess,
that's
with you. How is your
yeah.
father?
Father is doing great. They're also happy. I'm here after a long time, like for such a long period at a stretch, but now it's getting too much. I think now they want me out. So,
But tell me something here. Your father being a former national player,
yeah.
and you have been together since last what 45 or 50 days. How it like? Does it really help because he knows tennis and or sometime he thinks that he knows better than you and then he tries to teach you, or how is your relation going on? And like
So the I've
must be fun,
accepted the
right?
fact, yeah, it is a lot of fun, I must say, and it definitely helps. I am what I am because of him, and his teacher taught me from day one. So I've accepted the fact that he knows more tennis than me, but I think over the years we've learned how to maintain a balance about, tennis and how much to talk about tennis at home. It's not 24, the topic is not 24/7. So I guess it's a lot of fun when we do talk about it. We obviously have some arguments, which is pretty common, I guess, in a father and son and a
Hmm.
coach relationship. But I'm really lucky, I must say, because he likes to stay fit as well. So in this time, he's kind of motivating me, and
He
I'm
is
kind
really
of
fit. He is really fit.
yeah. So that kind of helps. Even
Yeah,
you, I
and
mean,
you
for
do
Aryan,
exercise
you are
together.
getting yeah, we try to. I mean, he makes sure that he also works out every single day, so which is great.
Hmm. Superb, man.
So
Just say hello to him whenever you.
yes, definitely, definitely. And
Yeah, yeah.
so I have a few questions. Let's get started because we have limited time today, and I have a lot of questions from some of the famous reporters you probably have encountered before. So in
Hmm.
general, just first I would like to start with how's the journey been being the director, like tournament director of the Tata Open, and it's had like 3 years already now. So how will you describe the journey so far?
Well, Arjun, actually, we were very lucky enough to retain this tournament in India because this
Okay.
tournament was
Yeah.
likely to go out of India, and also and retain in the city known as capital of tennis in Pune.
Yeah.
And that's one of the, we would say that good achievement from the State Lawn Tennis Association. And for that, I would really thank the Secretary Sundar Iyer, Bharat Oza, and the government of Maharashtra officers, and of course IMGR. And now over the years, we have able to keep that legacy of 25 years of successfully running this tournament,
Wow.
and
Yeah.
attracting all top star players every year. And like this year, you must be knowing that this was like a remarkable year for Indians because close to 11
Yeah.
players plays in the tour event. I think what
Exactly.
else one can expect out of this tour event, and that was the main objective of having this tournament here
Yeah.
in retaining the tournament in Pune. So we are happy, and I'm sure we will over the years, like we'll keep this momentum going and make this tournament to the next level every year.
I'm sure. I'm
Yeah,
sure. I'm
yeah.
sure.
So what was your What do you describe you or Indian playing in this tournament, Arjun? Sorry, I'm asking you because we have just, talking about
No,
Tata
no.
Open as a
Yeah, I
Indian
mean,
player.
for me, I first of all need to thank you and like all of the people who trusted in me to, and gave me the wild card and the opportunity to play at this level. And I can
Mhm.
speak for all the Indians. It is great to have such a big tournament in India, first of all, because it gives us the chance to like really show our potential and get that experience. Whereas
Mhm.
like we have like Prajnesh and Sumit now like around 100, but apart from that, you know, not like so many wouldn't have gotten in the 250 otherwise. But as you said, 11 players,
Mhm.
in the main draw, and so I think it is great. I mean, really, like, thank you, and I hope. We make the most of this opportunity, and I think Indian tennis is moving in the right direction. Like people are getting more and more confidence, and what it has done for me is it has taught me like for example, I played Jerry Wesley the first round over here, and he went up like ended up winning the tournament. So for me, it was like, wow, if he can win the tournament, if I work hard and if I keep improving, it's not too far away. And this
Yeah, that's true.
sense of belief will only come when you experience a certain level of tennis. So I'm really thankful to all of you, Sundar sir, you, and like for giving us the opportunity to experience that level and giving us the confidence that we can do well.
Yeah, and I think you have legacy of playing against the winner always. Like you, yeah,
Yeah, that's
I remember still
yeah,
your match on second court number second, I think, the
yeah.
doubles match where you beat the top seed or or second seed,
Oh
and
yeah,
then
that was
that you lost with the third, on the third, and they happened to win the tournament. Also with
yeah,
Benoit Paire, you were like almost there, and
almost
then
there.
what happens. Even this, the match was
Yeah,
already in your
it was
pocket.
very close. It was very close. It was very
That was
close.
with you
Yeah.
and Rohan.
I mean,
Yeah,
tennis is
yeah.
such a
So
sport,
hopefully
like
this
it
will
can
get.
turn. Sorry, go
Yeah,
ahead.
hopefully you'll and one day you will be Tata Open champion.
I really hope so, and I really hope so. It's the those little margins, and it'll come, it will turn. I hope someday soon. So, anyways, thanks for being with us, and we have. So, how do you
Yeah.
think this pandemic is going to affect the future of Tata Open, like going forward? What are your thoughts on the whole situation now, and just the ATP calendar, what's happening, like the delays? Possibly it might get even further. Uh, like
Mhm.
maybe till August. So what are your thoughts on it?
No, see, Arjun, the pandemic is not only related to Tata Open, I guess. I mean, each and
No,
every,
yeah,
except the Masters, everyone is going to be affected by this pandemic. Mainly, everybody is saying that wait for the vaccine. But I don't think the vaccine will be, coming closely into like 7 or 9 months probably. So till then, if you
okay,
want to continue the calendar, I think there are many questions. You will have to, redefine the entire SOPs for conducting a tournament, right from the medical requirements. Like you have to take out the gym, you have to do the outdoor catering, then you have to look up the
a lot of
transportation, the
things.
hotel, and just imagine. Yeah, still we don't know what are the government policies on foreign travelers. So
Okay,
just firing in the air right now. And imagine like tennis, like for Pune Open, players from probably 40 of 30 countries will
yeah,
come to play this event, right? From officiating, umpires, players, and they will be exposed to maybe other countries earlier. So
exactly.
during the
Yeah,
tournament, just imagine someone is having a symptom of COVID. What will you do? You're going to shut down the entire event at what cost?
that's
So all these are unanswered as of now. So the best thing is to wait till like couple of more months, and then we see. But at the same time, ATP and players, I'm sure ATP and players still must be working on a plan to how to cut down the operational costs for the events. As like I'm sure
okay.
they must be working on something as long as that it is a win-win situation for all, both players and
Yeah,
the organizers. but not surely. Yeah, yeah, we have to wait
Yeah.
till
Yeah,
everything
even
gets
I'm pretty sure
streamlined.
they'll have
Yeah,
to figure something out because this can't be I mean you have to wait and watch because this is happening like slowly in different countries, so you can't, and tennis is such an international sport that we can't just start in one area and keep the other area kind of, don't play the tournaments. You can't do that. So let's hope for the best. But
exactly. Yeah.
yeah. One of our Pune reporters, Kumar Swamiji from Times of India, has a question like, what has been your ATP's communication with you regarding the 2021 calendar in general? That's
Well,
what he's asked.
yeah. Kumar, like, see, we have been communicating with ATP on regular intervals, but so far their priorities are on the slams, on the Masters, ATP Cup, and Lever Cup. Obviously, keeping the players in mind, and it is but obvious. So, once they prioritize that, probably they will come up with a fresh calendar. So far, we have
Okay.
received a draft calendar till August, and we are expecting the next calendar by next week. But still, then we have to wait and watch about what is. But I think personally, we are going to hit a little bit. The Pune Open might hit a little further. This is what my gut feeling. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. And I think one more question from Indian Tennis Daily. What is your, like, you mentioned the Tata Open is fully backed with sponsors till 2022. That has that changed? Or is the situation, affecting that? And just in general, any ideas about that going forward?
Well, Arjun, as I said, the situation with not only Tata Open but all the tournaments except the Grand
Everything.
Slam and Masters are going to, have cut down on this. Yeah, because
Yeah.
mainly, they are going to have the ticket sale is going to be reduced drastically. The international TV rights will be negotiated again. The sponsor would like to wait and see how they will be doing in the coming years. But
Yeah.
it's really tough time. But for us, fortunately, we have a strong support from the government of Maharashtra as well as from Tata's.
Hmm.
So probably we should be able to get through smoothly. But at any given point of time, we will not like to do anything which is against the protocol of the local government
Yeah.
for the COVID. Nothing
Okay.
comes first than nation. Nation is always and first priority. So we'll have to wait and watch for their guidelines. If everything goes smooth, we have no issues, continuing with the tournament in 2021.
That's really good to hear. I think Kamesh sir also had the same question. I guess your answer is going to
Yeah.
be you pretty well answered it all over here. And so I have a question again, like, so when you travel for because you're the tournament director for the ATP, when you travel abroad for those meetings, has there been any
Hmm.
like a big eye opener for you in those meetings, like regarding anything or anything you took away which was like surprising in those from those meetings?
Yeah, we have been every year there is Wimbledon, there is an annual TDs meeting. Then Monte Carlo, they have a TDs meeting. So all the mostly Grand Slam, they have TDs meeting. What I could observe, Arjun, like, everyone, all the TDs have given equal opportunity to express their view, equal respect. Not like, he is a
Okay.
Grand Slam TD and he has different, VIP treatment or no. All the TDs are equal, and that's very good about ATP. Like, we all sit together and express our views. They listen to 250s, they listen to 500s. So that's one thing.
Yeah.
And second thing is, the ATP always,
Hmm.
most of the time, their discussion is about how to benefit the player, and mostly the lower rank player. How to
Okay.
improve the standard
Wow.
of challengers, how to take all the tournament to up to the certain standards, how to increase the prize money. So of course, I mean, along with that, they also keep suggesting us that how to efficiently do tournament so that the more and more player get benefited out of this. So this is very interesting when I see this attend this meeting. And secondly, ATP, one thing they have so particular about the players and public safety. 25 pages
Okay.
booklet only for security, which itself says that how they want now to make sure that nothing is lapsed in the player security, public security. So a couple of things really, it always a learning process when we attend those
Yeah.
meetings.
That's a really good answer,
Yeah.
I must say. And yeah, as you like have Aadhar Poonawalla Tennis Academy as well, and it's a initiative by the
Mm.
Maharashtra Tennis Foundation. Could you tell us a little bit about
Mhm.
the ideas, your goals with the academy, and what's it all about in the bigger picture?
Yeah, Arjun, you were a part of it, I think, I guess, a couple of.
Yes,
So,
yes, yes.
the Maha Tennis Foundation is an initiative of ATP tennis tournament. Taking only the ATP event in Pune or in Maharashtra will not be of any help alone. So we
Correct.
have decided, along with the MSLTA representatives, me, everybody decided that we should have something, a solid plan to develop tennis in the district places along with the
Okay.
metro cities. Metro cities, we already have a lot of tennis going on since years together. There
Yes.
are a lot of good coaches available in all the metros. So our main focus is to, increase the footfall of tennis players by 3x, 4x in coming 5 years. Give them
Wow.
the try and give them the quality tennis lessons at the district levels. And we also have started the academy in Pune. We have an academy where we have 200 players playing with professional trainers. We have a very
Yes.
good
Yes.
trainer from Serbia. He's a former
Yeah.
national coach of Serbia. So we have a event academy going on in Pune where we want to get all the players from the district. We will make sure that they will be taken care everything, including the stay, food, free
Wow.
coaching. All top players from district will be free of
That
cost.
that's
And we are
amazing.
also giving, yeah, we are also giving scholarships for the players who are, doing
Yes.
well. So this is the overall plan. We have this in committee. We have Abhishek also. Abhishek Tamani is there. Sundar
Yes.
Iyer is there.
Yes.
Then we have
Yes.
few bureaucrats from there. So yeah, and we are fortunate that Other is initiated this as a main title sponsor, and down the line, I think we are going to go very strongly with this Other Punawala Academy and Martinis
Yes.
Foundation. Yeah,
I think the direction which is it is heading, it looks fantastic, and the main purpose is like building a foundation from the grassroots. I think that's very exciting and something to look forward for, because I'm sure we have a lot of talent around the districts. You must have also seen, like, not only in metro cities, but even the kids who have not heard of tennis probably at a very young age, but if you get them to play, I think they some of them will turn out really superb. So that's really exciting, something
absolutely,
exciting
man.
you're
I mean,
doing.
the talent is there,
Yeah.
Arjun. Yeah, talent is there. The talent is there in the
Yeah.
district players. Now, see the initiative Sundar has taken with the Eklavya scheme. They
Yeah.
have such a tremendous talent. I mean, you'll not believe. So we'll have to find these talents. So we are also planning a high performance tennis academy. The MSLT is planning a high performance tennis academy in coming months with the Ma Tennis Foundation. So there is a big, broader picture we are working on, and I'm sure down the line
That's
this
amazing.
will go a long way, and you will see, you will witness it.
That's really cool. Okay, so for everyone over here, those were
Yes.
kind of the set of questions we had. But I have a surprise in store. I'm gonna go, like, if you want to ask me any more questions, we can try and take a couple of questions, and then we are going to end it with the rapid fire. I'm going to ask him 5 questions, which I've prepared for. He doesn't, and he has to be, very prompt, spontaneous, and we'll try and get an answer out of him out of those questions.
Even
So
I have
let's
a
see if anyone
even I have
has
a couple of questions,
any questions.
Arjun. Rapid fire
Yeah.
question. Even I have a couple of them.
Oh, I didn't know that. But yeah, you can start, and then we can take maybe one
Be
question
ready.
from the audience. Yeah, go for it. Then till then we can see if anyone has a question from the audience, and then I go with mine. Go for it. I'm ready for
So,
your
do you want
questions.
me to start?
Yes. Yeah.
You
That'd
want
be
me to start?
nice. Yes, sure.
All right. So, first
Oh, you
question.
prepared for them. Wow.
Uh,
Hmm.
yeah, of course. What do you think, man? Uh, Easy to date a Indian girl or a foreigner?
Indian. Come on.
Indian. Oh, superb. Uh, like to train in India or in abroad?
Like to train in India, but the problem is we don't
No,
have.
just,
I
just,
don't have
just,
it
just this.
in at home. At home. At home.
At
home
home
in
in
India,
India.
Pune. Yeah.
Okay. JK, as a father or as a coach?
As a father, any day.
As a
The
father.
best father.
Singles or doubles? What is your preference?
As of now, singles.
Oh, there is a question from somebody, Vikas Kandu. Please confirm about Eklavya scheme. So
That's for you.
So Eklavya scheme, as Sundar explained in his last conversation, this is a scheme initiated by the Lawn Tennis Association, the Maharashtra State Lawn Tennis Association, with the tribal development. So where they selected tribal kids with the age of 18 and plus, and we had center in Nagpur. So we had a we taught them on the tennis officiating, tennis coaching. First batch was like 60 players. 40 players from the very rural areas have joined that scheme. And you will not believe, they were not knowing what is tennis. They were never seen tennis rackets. Some of
Yeah.
them came without shoes. And then
Wow.
we trained them for a year. Hemant was the main instructor there, Manoj Vaidya, Hemant. And, so now we have 40 batches passed out, and now everybody is, doing great. They have jobs everywhere, all India. So, now the next batch is also passed out. So they are also working everywhere. Some of them have gone to Hyderabad. Some of them are working in MSLT. Some have gone to Chandigarh. So out of nowhere, they all are doing well now. So this is a Eklavya scheme, which is an initiative by the Maharashtra State Lawn Tennis Association.
Oh, that's awesome.
Arjun, there is a question from you for you. Please give us
Please
some
give us
advice
some
about US
advice.
college.
Yes, I would say when I went to US college, it was a tough decision for me because I had a sponsor back then and I was doing well in juniors. Um, but I went there. I committed to I went there and my mindset was to let's see for 6 months. If I like it, I'll stay. If not, I'll give it my best shot and come back. But it turned out the best decision of my life, I think. And I think all the guys who are really looking forward to playing professional after their juniors, they should really consider it because the level is very high. And if you get a good college, you should try and get into like a top 10, top 15 college. I mean, in Division 1, I feel like all 20, 25, the top 25 teams have amazing teams. And, the level is very high. And I think if you look at it in a right way with a long-term plan that you want to use it as a stepping stone to play professional after, like Somdev did, like Sanam or Saket did. I think that's a I would really want more and more players to consider it and really use that opportunity to get your education first free if you get a scholarship, and the education is fantastic at the highest level, and then the facilities there are world class. So I mean, there are a lot of positives. I mean, for girls it's a bit different because I think if they are making the Fed Cup team right away, and they mature a bit earlier than guys, I would say. So they really have to. I think it's fantastic for both either way, but they should really consider it.
Arjun,
I
you
hope
have a
it
couple
helps.
of more questions, I guess. Do you want to go
Okay.
with them? There is one question, Arjun,
From
who has been here the best doubles partner till date, and would you be dream doubles partner?
Okay, so till date, best doubles partner, I would say Rohan or Benoit. It's a tie, but because I've played with those are the top two guys who I've played with. I mean, it's different. Rohan is kind of intense. Benoit is just, I mean, some unbelievable shots coming out of nowhere. So it's always fun to play was fun to play with both of them. And my dream doubles partner, I would love to play with Jack Sock. I really like the way he plays. It's just brutal, and it would be a dream to play with him if
Yeah,
I can
but
play with him in the future.
Arjun, both of them did not able second round,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
that's why my
Very
dream
close.
dream doubles partner is different. It's not my dream doubles partner.
There is Prashant is asking you question. What's your thought on fitness routine the Indian tennis community does at 5 p.m. every day?
Oh, I think it's a great, yeah. So basically, me, Rohan, Ram, and Sanya, and so many like there are almost like 45. Like Purav has joined now, Vishnu, Manish, like so many guys have joined the co-workout. We've started it like almost a month and a half or 2 months ago, almost. I don't even remember for a long, long time. And it like it's, I think it's an amazing initiative because you get to see all the youngsters come in and the motivation is super high. So I think it's a great way to keep yourself motivated for every single day and even push. Like we really push each other, for the planks and everything we do. So I think it's a great way to, interact with all of your community friends and then push each other and like improve at the same time. So do you want to start with are you ready for my rapid fire questions, Prashant sir?
No, no, no. I have a couple of more questions, Arjun.
Okay,
I'm not going to lose that easily. Yeah.
Okay.
One suggestion you want to give for Tata Open?
One suggestion I would give for Tata Open is, I'm not thinking, I don't know. It's pretty good. I think it's one of the best tournaments I've played, but I would like to say, I mean, give a little more like probably school kids or someone like we can do a little more of like in the audience, like we did the first year and the second year, like to see a lot of school kids, coming out and watching the matches. That I feel is amazing. They love watching it. So it'd be really cool if we can, add a little more to that.
All right.
But overall,
We'll
I think
definitely
it's
take care of
fantastic.
this.
It's fantastic.
Yeah. Thanks. What would like to want MSLT and AITT to do for the players?
I think they're doing a good job, but if in the future they have, they start a camp where the top guys can come and train like the preseason or like something of that sort, when where people, the biggest problem I face is to have like someone better than me to train with every single day in Pune. So if they can manage that at least for 2 weeks or 3 weeks in a year, where we can go and train all the great guys coming together and training, and then it's always good to have, all the top Indian guys to come and train together. So I think that's one thing which is missing, which I see at like which can be done very easily if they can conduct like a 10-day camp, like a preseason with arranging a nice fitness trainer, all the facilities. I think that will be really cool.
Tukwan Basraj asked a question. Would Pune consider an Indian league or a local tournament if borders don't open up like already happening in the US and Europe? Well, actually, this is a good question. And I strongly believe Prime Minister Modi recently said that Atmanirbhar Bharat. That means there's the same thing. We should have our own local circuit. We should not. I mean, there is no need our situation where there is a risk. There is going to be, and travel is not going to be that easy. So the best thing, and I'm sure MSLT and AITA must be thinking on those lines to have more and more local tournaments, more and more state level tournaments, more ITFs, more challengers in India. Sure, it is possible, and definitely we will consider this now. So I think let's wait and watch before we really sit together and start implementing this.
Oh,
yes.
I think
so. Arjun?
Sorry, go ahead. Yeah,
two more questions. Yeah. Rohan or Lee as a partner?
I haven't played with Lee, so I would have to go with Rohan, but it would be amazing to play with Lee someday.
Okay. And father or mother, who would you prefer to partner you with the tournament? To
Father,
travel with
because
you?
he plays. Like he's been around and he can help me more during the tournaments regarding solely because we can play tennis. We gel up so well. So definitely that.
All right, so very well done, Arjun. You never, I thought you will struggle somewhere, but well done. Yeah, you deserve a
Thank you.
coffee whenever we meet
Those
next time.
definitely. Those are a few tough questions there. And now if I go out now, if they're listening, so now I'm going to get some
They're
fattas
listening.
after. Definitely
Yeah,
from
yeah,
mom.
yeah, you're going to have it.
Okay, now let's go for my rapid fire questions. So I have five questions for you, not too many, but let's start. Are you
Yeah,
ready?
yeah. Do you think
Okay.
you require, I don't think you'll require a wild card in coming event, right? In the singles?
Wildcard. I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah. So, you know, so be careful with the questions.
Yeah. Okay, this is all for fun. I'm just putting it
Yeah.
out there. So, okay, the here we go. So the first one is, if you had the option to pick one of these players to come and play Tata Open next year, who would
Mhm.
Rafael Nadal or Roger Federer? Only one. You have to pick one of those. Who would you pick?
You say, say it again. Three. Like Roger, Rafa, and Novak.
Novak. If you had a option to pick one of
Yeah.
those players to come and play in Pune, who would you go for?
Hmm. You still want me to answer? Looking at my t-shirt?
Yeah, I mean, go for it.
Yeah. So I'll go with the world number one. Whoever is the world number one, I'll call him.
Oh, wow. Nole, wow. Okay, interesting. Do you think he's this is not a question, this is just a follow-up thing. Do you think he's the most loved guy in tennis? Like he has the biggest
Uh,
fan base? Do you think so?
to be very honest, he's a nice person. I feel
Okay.
I met him a couple of times personally. You know, he's really
Okay.
nice. He tries to help the players on the circuit. So, well, I like him. And you know, you don't have the option, none of them. Otherwise,
Yeah.
I would have gone with none of them because you know we want local heroes. We want some new heroes to come up,
Oh,
and
wow.
you know we
Okay.
have these three because yeah. So I would prefer to go
Okay.
with someone like you know really yeah.
Okay. So my second question is, who would you pick as your preferred doubles partner between out of these two? Is one is Rohan Bopanna and other is Leander Pace. Who would you pick as your doubles partner?
Uh, my doubles partner. As you know, we played a couple of times the practice session that I play from the ad court. So probably I will go with Lee.
Oh, wow. That was interesting. Okay, my third question is, if you were not, if you weren't a businessman, what would you have been? Like, what was your second dream or
Wow,
option?
difficult. I had no knowledge about anything except tennis coaching. So probably I would have been a tennis coach, and who knows, I would
Oh,
have
wow.
you know teaching you.
Oh, wow. That's interesting. Very interesting. Okay, this
Yeah,
is on the see
yeah, yeah.
the fourth question is, see, you've been the tournament director for 3 years now. So, what is one of the biggest challenge you've faced as a tournament director for this tournament? What is one of the biggest challenges comes to your
Uh,
mind right away?
biggest challenge to for the initial days to attract the crowd for the initial
Oh,
first 3 days. Yeah,
okay.
that
This
was the
this is
biggest
like
challenge we
every year,
faced.
or you're talking about the first year, the
No,
first
it
year.
is like, you know, every year it's not
Okay,
in Pune, but you know, if you see globally, it's first 3, 4 days like bit, you know,
it's okay.
shaky. Yeah,
Understand.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we'll have to,
yeah.
as you rightly said, we have to involve the schools and school children, and we should do some programs. So that's the biggest challenge we
Mm.
face.
But I think
Because rest
like
all, you know, we have a great team. We have
exactly.
a great team like, you know, we have Sundar, we have Abhishek, we have all the, you know, they take care of the most of the things. And from the
Yes.
other side, you know, I take care of them. So no issues. So except these.
The final probably ones for you. I know you play league every year. So can you tell me
I
your
lost you,
best
Arjun.
partner
I
till date?
lost you, Arjun. I lost you. I
No, no,
lost your
I know,
voice.
I know, I know you can
What
hear
did you
me
say?
now.
What did you say?
I know you play the Inter-Club League every year. So who would you pick?
Yeah.
Who would you say is your best partner till date? You have to name one.
Wow. From the great PYC group,
Yeah, the club league, yes.
club league. I would. Shall I name two players?
One. You have to go.
One. I think Kedar.
Kedar.
Kedar
Oh,
Shah.
wow. Okay. That's a good
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah.
That's a good answer.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yes.
But thanks for doing this. These were the all all what I had, and you answered them very well, very quickly. And thanks for doing this with me. I had a lot of fun,
Yes.
hosting you here. And also shout out to Indian Tennis Daily. It was amazing, experience for me to uh, do this on their platform. So thanks
Yes,
everyone again.
and
Thanks
thanks
for watching.
Indian Tennis Daily. You're doing amazing, keeping all the updates with the tennis lovers, and then
Yeah,
keep doing it. And thanks Tata Open Maharashtra digital team, fantastic job. And
yes, amazing.
stay safe. We are going to get back rockingly in coming 6 months. So let's catch up again. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashanja. Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Cheers.
Bye, 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 bye.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching and hope you guys loved it. Cheers. Stay safe. Stay home. Bye.